Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna do something fun. That is basically the first mod. I don't know, the first mod you're gonna see on camera, that's for sure. But I've got this bad boy. So I got the Simota Carbon Air Intake for. So I got the Simota Carbon Air Intake for the car, which we are gonna install. I'm also gonna do some before and after videos, so you can hear the difference in induction noise. In terms of horsepower, I don't know if it's gonna make it. It's not gonna make any difference, and if it is, it's gonna be not significant. So the first thing we need to do is get the old one out. So that's where we are gonna start. And then this is my first real mod I'm gonna do by myself. So even though it's in cold air intake, it's gonna probably take longer than it should be. But let's get started. First we are gonna loosen the box where the air filter is in, so we can get it out as a whole. Okay, second one out. Disconnect this hose. Okay. So we got the old one out. It's okay, quite a lot bigger. And now you can see sort of how it's gonna go. Yeah, like this, just a little bit. But what we need to do, I think, is remove this plastic air hose, so the intake can fit. Because I don't think it's meant to go like this. It could, but I don't think so. Nah, pretty sure it doesn't need to go like that. But I'll have to figure out how to. Voila! This one is out. So what we need to do now, I think, is see which side needs to go on this. Maybe we should fit it all together first before putting it in. So first we had this pipe, but that was way too long, so it didn't fit. So what we are doing now is just putting it right on with the clamp. I got a bracket in place. There was a bit of fiddling to get it right. I think how it sits right now is pretty good. So first thing I'm gonna do is tighten the clamps and make sure this is tight, and then after that I'm gonna tighten this so the bracket goes into place, and then everything should fit how it should. But first we're gonna, as you can see, we need to tighten the clamp, so that's what we are gonna do first. Okay, that's on pretty tight. So what we are gonna do now is fasten this bracket. So quick and easy install. This is pretty tight on. It can shake a little, but I don't know if that's a problem. Probably not. But for a super beginner like me, it was a quick install. It's just out with the old, in with the new. Loosen some things, tighten them up back again, and it sits. I think it's a great mod to do as your first mod because it's very easy, and it's just to gain some confidence in yourself that you can do it. Now we're gonna take it for a drive. The noise is probably gonna be awesome, and also the throttle response should be better, but we're just gonna see. I don't have high expectations, but I hope I'll get surprised. So as you can hear, the intake makes massive noise. I didn't expect that, so I'm definitely positively surprised by how much noise it makes. And I don't know if it's in my head, but the throttle response feels better, so that's also a big plus. So overall, this was a very good mod. Easy to install, great noise, loads of fun. Maybe I'm gonna make a bigger video with the intake, so like a POV video without talking, so you can just hear the induction noise from this thing, because it sounds fantastic. Nice. So it picks up around 2,500 RPM, and then until 4, and 4 it's just screaming. I would say the exhaust is a bit taking over then, but from 2.5 to 3, like, well, this is 2. Oh my god, I didn't even pull it to 6. Oh my god, at 6 it sounds insane. Wait. Doing 50 here. Doing the speed limit. Still doing the speed limit. Oh, 55. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get it to red line. Holy shit, I didn't even do that before. Okay, no one in front. Okay, second gear to red line. And again 50. Oh wait, 80. It's 80 here, so 80. Maybe 82, but so okay, I take it back. It makes a huge difference. At 6 it's just screaming like a race car, and that's the sound I wanted to go for. So if you have an intake, redline your car, That was it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. There are more mods coming that will get delivered soon, and it's a mod I wanted for a long time, so that's gonna be fun. Nürburgring is coming, and next week I have a special video coming where you can yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be fun. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, that really helps. Leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.